Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can select all instances of an object in FreeCAD 1.0. This is a very cool feature of FreeCAD. So for this tutorial I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0, so you must have at least 1.0 or a higher version of FreeCAD. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. Now if you see this, this is a simple frame made with a sheet metal, and if you see that this part is made with a sheet metal, and there are the fillet bends is there, and the hardwares are assembled. If you see here, this part is a container and there are the multiple bodies, so this act like an assembly. And if you see here, so this is the complete single unit which contains plane washer M6, spring lock washer, hexagonal head screw of M6, plane washer, spring lock washer, and hexagon nut. If you wanted to delete a part here, then there is a one way. Press the select the part and expand it, and here is a, for example, I wanted to delete the hexagon head cap screw, so I will select this one and select this one, and expand and select all the screws and delete it, and insert the new one as per my requirement. So this is a little bit time consuming to expand every container and select it and then delete it. But in FreeCAD having the very cool features, which is the options to select all instances of a object. So here, for example, I wanted to delete this plain washer. So select it, right click it, and here you will see the option of select all instances. Click on it. So it will automatically select the all plain M6 washer, and you can see that it selected everything which is available here because name is the same. So this selection filters works with the name. For example, if you give name different, like if you give the name plain washer M6 01 02 03 04 05 06, then this will not work. But if name is same, then this selection filter will work. Now let's select the hexagon head screw and right click it, and click on select all instances, and once it is selected, you can press delete key and delete it, and you can go to the fasteners workbench and insert your own screw. So selections filters is a very time saving tool to save your time and delete the parts which are in a large quantity. This is a very simple assembly, but just imagine you have created a very heavy assembly, and you have lots of fasteners in there, lots of washer is there, and what lots of similar components are there. Then this tool to select all instances of a same part will work and save your lots of time. So this is all about the select all instances of an object in a FreeCAD 1.0. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.